The story of a migrating bird. From a village, he came to a town and saw luxuries unthinkable before, like a faucet in the toilet. He saw possibilities and left the city again. He played the game. He amassed a fortune, but how can he stop here? So he went to where the grass is still greener. However, something happened. His ambition died because he didn't have the skills and attitude needed to reach on top in that newfound land, the new green land. Now he wants to come back. But where? The city, the town, the village? So silently he stays in his last stop in a greener pasture, sipping regret and dignity over choices he made that were not well thought out.